Welcome to our channel, where today we delve into a fascinating and complex question within Indian law. Can a spouse in a void marriage claim permanent alimony or maintenance under Section 25 of the Hindu Marriage Act? This query has been addressed by the Supreme Court of India, and we are here to unravel the legal intricacies surrounding this issue. To begin, let's understand what constitutes a void marriage under Section 11 of the Hindu Marriage Act. A void marriage is one that is considered legally invalid from the beginning due to certain conditions not being met, such as bigamy or prohibited degrees of relationship. But what happens when a spouse in such a marriage seeks financial support through alimony? This brings us to Section 25 of the same Act, which deals with permanent alimony and maintenance. Traditionally, alimony aims to provide financial stability post-separation or divorce. The conflict arises when interpreting whether these provisions apply to void marriages, where legally the marriage never existed. The Supreme Court has provided clarity on this matter. In a landmark ruling, the court determined that despite the marriage being void, the affected spouse may still be entitled to maintenance under Section 25. The rationale is to protect individuals from financial hardship, reflecting a compassionate understanding of personal circumstances beyond legal definitions. This decision underscores the Supreme Court's commitment to justice and fairness, offering a solution that balances legal principles with human needs. In conclusion, the Supreme Court's ruling is a significant step in addressing the rights of individuals in void marriages, ensuring they have access to necessary financial support. Thank you for joining us in exploring this critical legal question. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful legal discussions. Until next time, stay informed and empowered.